air surrounding Earth is called the hydrosphere, atmosphere, water cycle, transpiration. Earth's water makes up the hydrosphere, atmosphere, water cycle, transpiration. Also called the hydrologic cycle. Hydrosphere, atmosphere, water cycle, transpiration. This is the process in which liquid water changes into invisible water vapor. Precipitation, condensation, evaporation, transpiration. This is the process in which water vapor changes into liquid water as the air cools. Precipitation, condensation, evaporation, transpiration.